Tired of manual data entry? Streamline your accounting workflow with our AI-powered invoice processing. Transform your PDFs and images into professional invoices in just a few clicks. Start by heading over to the Sales section on your main dashboard to view your current performance metrics. Next, select Invoices to view your full history and manage all existing customer records. Locate the drop-down next to Add Invoice. Choose the option to upload your documents. Now simply click to choose the invoice document from your computer that you wish to import. Once selected, click the Add button. HelloBooks.ai will automatically extract the details, match records, and recognize categories for you. Once your document is uploaded, it appears as a draft. Click the Edit icon to verify that the AI has correctly captured all the details from your file. The AI will populate the invoice details for you. Review the extracted line items, quantities, and totals to ensure everything is accurate. If everything looks correct, click Approve to finalize the invoice and ready it for payment. Your invoice is now ready. All data has been successfully imported and categorized, saving you valuable time. Ready to see how AI can transform your business? Don't just take our word for it. Witness the power of automated invoicing firsthand. Book a personalized demo with our team today and discover how much time and effort you can save.